This is my power cable, I mean the battery charger, laptop charger, and when I insert it, the laptop will be turned on without pressing the power button. If you want to achieve it in Dell laptop or system, so this video is for you. I will do how you can do it. In order to achieve it, just go to the BIOS options by pressing F2 key on system on the Dell laptop. Tap it and then go to the system management here and AC behavior. Wake on AC. You just need to turn it on if it is off. So you just need to turn it on. This feature on the system will briefly power on when the AC power is applied to perform basic checks, including discovering how the recovery is. When disabled, the system power ups. When the enable, the system proceed to boot. So just click on turn on and then apply the changes, and see, whenever you just plug in your charger with your laptop, it's going to turn on automatically on your system. So this is the helpful video for those whose power button is not working and they don't want to press it. Okay, so this is the video and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.